You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. It's time again for a package from China. It's time for the Super Mini MD video TV game 60-bit with built-in 2GB games. Alright, let's see what we're going to get within the package. For example, how good are the controllers? Very curious about that one. Cut over here. We have the system itself. Yes. Piece of toilet paper manual, people. Yeah, we have it again. Let's see what it says. Nothing much. Power supply. These are not that bad, like for example with the 8-bit clones. These are pretty decent. The power input is a micro. Alright, so let's take a close look at the controller and what are we going to get. Because with these clone systems, you never know what you're going to get. Some we have some decent controllers, some we have very horrible controllers. But this one, if you look at the D-pad and you feel the touch itself, it's not bad at all. Alright, let's see. Okay, I must say, I am pretty surprised about the model. I don't know what you think of this, but it looks pretty legit if you compare it with an original one. Okay. So the volume control is not moving. We're having on and off, a working reset button. At the front we're finding 2 ports. We even have this 16-bit decal on it. There's no function for the cartridge slot. At the back we're finding micro USB for power, AV out, and that's it. Alright. Funny. I really like this. So if you want to have this thing for uncollectible, for just putting on your shelf, I think it's already very cool for that. So let me know, what do you think of? What do you think of the model? It looks pretty good. I don't have the original Mini over here, so I cannot compare it at the moment, but interesting. Wow. There is not. No. Oh, there's background sound. There's a background sound. What is this? Oh, and the Tekken 2 game is the Virtual Fighter versus Tekken. It's really a bummer that it has a very bad connection or a very bad picture quality. Because you look at the screen, besides the interference, it's pretty decent quality and the sound is not bad at all. So that let me think, is it possible to have a defective product? Controls are horrible with this game. Does it work with the 6 buttons? No, it's a 3-button game. Bioship Paladin. I have never heard of this game. Alright, let's go. Yes. Super laser! Oh, there's power-ups. Pretty basic shoot 'em up, but looks fun. Oh, now it's going to dock everything. Flawless victory. Mortal Kombat, 28 people. Alright, so this is the homebrew version of Mortal Kombat 1 and it basically called Mortal Kombat 6. We're having Jax, but is it actually Jax? No, it's just basically Kano. Go away. Oh yeah, we're having more weird homebrew games. What the hell is that? Woo! Woo! Okay. What? Yeah, but how can I jump over it? Oh man. Time for Sonic Mega Mix, another homebrew game. Man, this system is full of homebrew games. Really cool. And as you can... Okay, why did I do that? But if you look at the frame rate, it's pretty decent. Sound is not bad. One of my favorite games. Oh no, it's off. It's off. A little bit. Like we have with a lot of these clones. That sound. That is not normal. I can ask the seller if it's normal that it has a little bit of interference. Otherwise, maybe I'm going to ask for a replacement and trying to get a new one to see if it's better. You can also hear it on the soundtrack here. Okay, so it's the Super 208. It's a totally different collection of games. I've never seen this one on a multi-game card. I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but there was a lot of interference. Not a little bit, no, there was serious interference. Some glitching going, some very odd stuff going around. So there's a little bit of a bummer. So even if it's AV out, it's still pretty damn horrible. Let's see, let's scroll through the list. Okay, and the D-pad feels pretty good. They even have some grammar errors. For example, this be Bonaza Bros. They forgot the B. It's still on the B selection, so that's pretty weird. Boogerman, all capitals. Oh man. So the game list is not bad at all. There are a lot of great games on this mini. So if it comes to the games itself, no, it's not bad at all. Even a lot of Mortal Kombat games and even some homebrew games. Yes, there are a lot of homebrew games. Sega Mini clone from our friends from China. Alright, first of all, the controller, it's not bad at all. For cheap, yes, okay. It cannot be compared with an original one, but for the money, where we're paying for the system, it's not bad at all. I have seen and felt a lot of Wars controllers. And this one is not bad at all. So if you just want to chill out and play, you can always use the original controller. Alright, now, I think for a collectible, if you want to have, let's say, a collectible, it's really cool. It's cheap, it's fun to have on yourself together with your NES Mini, SNES Mini, or PlayStation Mini, what do you have. But the AV out is a little bit disappointing, because the AV out signal is really bad.